Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, today I will teach you the next step for JavaScript. Basically, this topic input basically from HTML, and then the input we will send to JavaScript to process the data, and then after we process the data, we will send back the output to the form HTML. Okay, this is the example of the code here. First, here we have form here, and then tag form, and then we have close tag form, and then the name of form here form 1, and then here we have two inputs here, enter number 1, type equal to number, name and number 1, and then variable number 2, enter number 2, input type number 2, and then basically this program just to do basic operation, addition and multiply. And then if you notice here, we have another button here, and then when we click this button, and then automatically we will send the data through this function operasi max. And then after we send the data, and then the output will display here. The output here basically hasil tambah, and then hasil darab, and then I will show you how to send the data from HTML form to the function JavaScript function. Okay, this JavaScript function, and then if you notice here, we have variable here number 1 and number 2, st and hd. And then we have another statement here, number 1 equal to fast float. Fast float basically refer to the not decimal. This number basically contain decimal number. Fast float document dot form 1 dot number 1 and dot value. Basically, if you see this statement, basically this statement is represent the first value we enter here in form. You see the name here, number 1. Okay, basically this value we will give to this variable number 1, same as for the number 2, we'll give to the variable number 2. Okay, after we transfer these two values, and then we will do operation here, ht for addition number 1 equal to number 2, and same also we have two operation here, multiply number 1 times number 2. And then here we have if statement here. Basically this statement basically just to make sure the total of number 1 plus number 2 is a number, and then the value here from the operation we pass to the ht. This ht basically uh, from here, and then this value we pass to this statement. Okay, this statement basically refer to this part. Okay, because we want to display the output here. Same as for the next operation, we multiply, and then ht equal to number 1 times number 2, and then this value we pass to this statement, and then this statement represent in here hasil darab will display here. And then after that, I will show you the output of the system. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, see the output here. Okay, basically this the output, and then we have two input here, number 1 and number 2. For example, number 1 is 3, enter number 3, and then number 2 5, for example 5, and then when we press the button, automatically will give you the answer hasil tambah and hasil dapat. Basically the concept here, okay, basically the input come from HTML, and then when we send these two values, basically we will give to the JavaScript function, and then after that we do operation, Okay, after that, the output will show you here. For example, Haji Tambat equal to 8 and then Haji Darab equal to 15. I think that's all. Thank you very much.